Hello sir, good day. So pakita ko lang yung inyong GameCube order. So ito yung main unit niya, yung indigo na color. Yung likod, ito yung ating AV cable and then yung power supply. By the way, this power supply is 220 volts na. It is the good replacement one. And yung controller na kasama is silver. Okay? So meron tayong kasama na official GameCube memory card. Although software-based, kaya naman din. Pero for maximum performance ng ating modification, gagamit tayo ng original memory card. Okay? So wala nakakabit sa ating disc tray. On na natin yung GameCube natin. You can leave it closed, you can leave it open. Doesn't matter. Okay? So lipat tayo sa screen. Pag on nyo ng inyong GameCube, automatic game list na po agad ang lalabas. So right now, we're using your controller na wired. Yan, ito naman yung game list. This has around 400 plus hand-picked titles. So, madali lang din naman mag-add ng titles. If gusto nyo, copy-paste lang siya sa folder ng games. Okay. So, ito naka-stress test na rin naman to. We can say na it is thoroughly tested. And also cleaned inside. Okay. So, next video, send naman ako nung test no ating wireless function. Okay? So next, pakita ko naman yung ating wireless functionality ng inyong GameCube. So right now, I have on my hands is an official Nintendo Switch Pro controller. So ayan. So hindi pa siya nakasync actually. So on ko lang yung sync niya. Press and hold ko yung sync button. So iba-iba yan per console habang nagsisync, nagtatry mag-sync. I will also start the syncing process dito sa ating GameCube. So press and hold lang. Then, hintay ko na siya mag-pair. Yan. So, naka-sync na siya sa player 1 slot. Okay. Then, I should be able to use this on your GameCube na. Okay. Next, pakita natin sa screen. Okay. So, add tayo ng another controller. Yung PS4 controller. So, balik tayo dito sa console. Okay. So, for PS4 controller, ito yung sync button niya. Press natin yung share button and PS button until mag-hyper flash siya. Share and PS button. Hyper flashing. Tayo natin. Yan. Then, pe-press natin ulit yung ating sync button sa likod ng GameCube. Then, hintay natin siya mag-pair. So, right there. So, nakasync na siya. Actually, this became controller 1, then this became controller 2. If gusto mo siyang pagpalitin, yan, naka-assign siya sa slot 2. If gusto mo siyang pagpalitin, press mo lang ulit yung sync button sa likod para mag-redetect siya. Okay? So, I'm going to use this now. So, balik na tayo sa screen. And what better game to test the wireless function is Super Smash Brothers. There, melee. So dahil tayo ay naka GameCube SD2 SP2 version 2 which enables you to load your games swiftly kasi merong mga old mods na mabagal yung loading niya. So for example, yung mga gaya niyang full motion video maglalag yan on the old mod. So this is a version 2 SD2 SP2 kaya mabilis ang ating FMV and very minimized ang stuttering in case may ma-experience kayo. So, minimize siya as compared sa old mod. Okay. Start button is the option button. Versus mode, melee. There. I can control the player 1 and player 2. I can control. Okay. So, you can add more controllers hanggang 4. Alright, so that concludes our wireless function testing. Send na lang ako ng pictures before namin siya i-pack and when it's ready.